I don't do too much with my brows. I have quite a bit of brow going for me.
Santa baby, just slip a sable under the tree for me. Been an awful good girl.
Hey y'all, welcome back to Vlogmas Day 5. Can you guys believe it? It's been 5 consecutive days. Who am I at this point? I brought you guys close up because today we're going to be doing our makeup. I cannot wait to do it. A lot of you have asked me about, my makeup routine. Today is going to be a little bit glammed up. We're going to be doing a red lip. We did our backdrop because you guys know it's Christmas. If you guys would have watched my last Vlogmas video, today is the day that I'll be announcing the instructions to enter into my giveaway. My giveaway is going to be coupled with the fact that I got up to 5,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for the support. Thank you guys so much for subscribing. I'm still shocked. I think by this time I have like 5,600. I'm super shocked at the amount of people that are actually clicking the subscribe button. I'm super grateful and humble by it, but thank you guys so much so far. The journey has been great. I hope you guys continue to rock out with your girl. And for those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Loaferette. I make videos on hair, fashion, lifestyle, and other, because honestly, I just film whatever I feel like. December, we're doing a Vlogmas, 12 days of Vlogmas. Yes, I started a little late. I work a lot, so I just had to do that. But guys, stay tuned for this video. Okay, first up, we're going to start off with the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. Love this setting spray. I like to put it on my face when it's dry. It's extremely dry. It allows the foundation to slip a little bit more, and it feels a lot better. See how we're looking all glowy and stuff? Damn, I forgot to put my sponges. I'm about to go and do that. A gift for Christmas. Now it's foundation time. I like to put on my foundation with a sponge. I use the Juno sponge. Love this. It doesn't take up a lot of product, or it doesn't soak up a lot of product. It's really, really cool. Like, it just puts the makeup on really, really good. And for my foundation, damn, I took the cover off. No! For my foundation, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter foundation in the shade, I think it's 410. Is it 410? Yeah, in the shade 410. I use about 3 pumps depending, sometimes a little bit more if my face is dry and there's not enough slip. So I like to just go in and spread it around because it tends to dry very quickly, especially during the winter time. Yeah, so my base is on. I did put on a little bit more foundation just to cover off everything because it is extremely dry and it's winter time. So you have to, well, I have to use a little bit more. All right, next up is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Don't worry about this. It's looking really janky. I've told you guys this before in the past. It's in tan sand. Love this. Anytime I'm doing anything glammy and I need some full coverage, this bad boy come in with the quickness. You only need like a couple, well, for me, you only need a couple dots because a little goes a long way with this. And I'm using the Fenty sponge. I've never felt a softer sponge in my entire life. It's really good. Alright, y'all, next up I'm going to be using the Maybelline Shine Free Loose Setting Powder. Guys, I love this setting powder. Do you see the color? It just brings back a little bit more life underneath your eyes. It's just really amazing. The Juno sponge does not soak anything up, like, what? Alright, also next up is the Fenty Beauty Cocoa Naughty Instant Warmth Bronzer. And don't worry about that little check right there, it fell. Love this bad boy. It just brings back life into my cheeks, into my, my bones right there. And I put it in the hollow part of my face on the side and just bring it around. I put it around my forehead because you guys know, gotta tone it down, nickel. Tone it down, gotta tone it. I also like to put bronzer on my lids. Don't ask me why. I just like to finish with the bronzer on my lids. and then to kind of carve out my nose a little bit. Nothing too special. I'm gonna go back in and do this again anyways, but I just like doing this. And for brows, I'm gonna be using from Benefit the Precisely My Brows. Love this. I use it a lot. I don't do too much with my brows. I have quite a bit of brow going for me. So I just fill it back in from where the foundation and the powder would have taken away, or toned it and or tone down my eyebrows, and just fill in my eyebrows. I've already gone ahead and filled in my brows. What I like to do to conceal the brows is to use my concealer from Tarte, put a little bit on here, and my foundation from Fenty. Then all I do is take my little spoolie with this edge here and just mix it up. I do that because the concealer is very concentrated, right? And if you have something that's concentrated, it's going to be hard to blend, right? Unless it's like a big area, you have to blend it all the way out. But because it's a small area here and I just want my edges to be sharp, I just blend it with my foundation so that it's easier to work with, and so that it's not as sharp or harsh on my face or my brows. And all I do really is conceal the bottom. Alright, brows are done. I'm gonna go back in with the bronzer and do my eyelids again. Not only just my eyelids, I'm gonna go into the brow as well to kind of tone down the halo that's going on, and also kind of tone down the eyebrows. Sometimes I like it dark and sometimes I don't. This just tones down how dark it is. Okay, what's next? What's next? What's next? What do we got next? Okay, it's eyeshadow time. I'm not sure what I'm going to be doing. Let me think about it for a bit and I'll get back to you guys. We have a lot of palettes to choose from. Yeah, thank you to BoxyCharm and Ipsy for all these bad boys. Granted, I didn't need all of these, but they sent me all. Okay, so I'm going to be using the Violet Voss Essential number 2 palette. Sit right here, and we have all the shades here. I've never used this before in my life. Okay, first color I'm going to go in with is Clay, just for the base. See the difference between the two, like just to make it matte, so that when we put on the other colors, kind of blend and nothing is too tacky. All right, next up is Chocolate Brown. Hopefully it's brown enough, and we're just gonna go into the crease, kind of make a V shape or a C shape, kind of blend that all the way out here. Next up, for this area of the eye right here, the halo, I guess, I'm gonna be putting copper. Okay, for my inner tear dot, we're going to be using rose gold, I think. No, we don't like that. We do not like that. Let's go in with bronze. Yeah, we like that. We like that. I think this is as far as I'm going with eyeshadow. All right, next up is eyeliner. I love using the matte liquid liner from NYX. Bad boy. You see how inky that is? Oh, cannot wait. Can I do this on camera? Let's see. Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to show you guys the wing, but I'm about to do hopefully a dramatic wing. Hopefully. All right, the wings are on, looking not really symmetrical, but we brought the drama. Okay, we're gonna be using the Sugar Uptown Girl Lengthening Mascara. I got this in my Ipsy package. I love the tip a lot. Right, I want to do this because my lashes would have on the eyeshadow powder. So I'm just trying to get rid of it. But it's not like And then also too, like you want to get rid of it for your lashes so that your lashes don't have like two different colors. And we do bottom lashes just a little bit. I'm not smoking this part out or anything like that. I like when it's bare. It looks so cool like that. I got that from like Alea J and Nicki Minaj. Almost done, guys. We're almost done. What am I gonna do next? What do I normally do after this? So I'm gonna go in again with the Fenty bronzer to chisel out my cheeks some more. To get off the powder, now you see the powder has sunken into my skin. It looks so freaking good. Oh my gosh. I'm going to be using the Sephora Micro Smooth powder. I learned this from Alyssa Ashley. Guys, you got to get onto this. What's the shade? Matte Tan. This is amazing. It adds back the highlight to this section right here if you want to carve it out a little bit more without it being too harsh, right? And then everywhere you would have powdered, you just put that all around there. You see the brightening that's going on right now. It's sickening. And it's like a setting powder as well, right? And now I'm going to be using the Bella blush. Guys, I don't know how I got this, where I got this, but it's here and I always use it. I love it. It's not too, like, it's like Meg Thee Stallion's blush on a reel. Then I start at my cheeks here at the front and then work my way back up. And once I put on the setting spray, it's not going to look that harsh. That's why I put on this much. And top it all off on your nose. I'm not sure why this is a thing, but it gives you this rosy looking, you know, like a bunny rabbit nose. I don't know why. I think Doja Cat was the one that did this. Do you see how we're looking right now? Our base is good. So now we're going to go ahead and put on some setting spray. Woo! Totally bathed in that. Don't lie, guys. This is the truth. Also, I like to put on the setting spray before the highlighting because the setting spray allows the highlighter to kind of sit on my cheeks a little bit more. It's a little bit tacky, so the highlight just stays there. For highlight, I'm going to be using the Tribe Highlight Volume 2 by Juvia's Place. Bomb highlighter, especially for skin colors like mine. What? No, ma'am. So I'm going to go ahead and put some lashes on, put some hair on, and I'll be back with the instructions to the giveaway and exactly what you guys are going to be wearing. All right, y'all, so this is the final look. I went ahead and put some lashes on my eyes. I think it's from Stabling Minds. Not sure the style, but I'll try and link it here or put it here. Or I did some red lips and I lined it. So normally when I do a red lip, a lot of people see it on Instagram and ask me, where did I get that from? Like, what's the brand? It is Melted Matte by Too Faced in the shade Lady Balls. This is so cool. It's a true red, like, it's so cool. It's like a bluish red, but I don't know. Everyone always asks me about it. And I went ahead and used the MAC lip liner to line my lips in the shade Chestnut. This is so bomb. Everyone has been raving about this. Absolutely love this. But yeah, guys, you can let me know in the comments down below. How did I do? How did you guys like the application? Was it easy? Was it hard? Did I use too much products? But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to close out the vlog now. I know it wasn't, you know, your typical vlog style, but I really just want to show you guys how I normally do my face for Christmas parties or like a New Year's Eve party. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed filming it. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. Also, don't forget to smash that notification bell so you do not miss another upload. And also follow me on all my social media accounts. It's Loaferette at Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next part. Oh yeah, before I close out this vlog, I want to give you guys the instructions for the giveaway. So first of all, you must be subscribed to my channel. So click the subscribe button down below. I can't remember which side. And in the spirit of Christmas, I would like you guys to mention in the comments down below, what does Christmas mean to you? So I'm sure you guys are aware, or you may not be aware, but I used to collect a lot of curl boxes. And the lucky winner will be winning this curl box. I have no idea what's inside. So it's really a mystery curl box. And for those of you who do not know what Curlbox is a monthly subscription. They canceled it because they said that Canada was not economically good for them, I guess. But Curlbox is a monthly subscription that you pay a certain amount and you get full-size products. What it does is that it allows you to try different products you would normally get, or products that you would normally think that you might want, and also products that you might see and cannot afford. So the lucky winner will be winning this Curlbox. I'll look in the comments and see which one really resonates with me, or which one is really funny, or which one is really lighthearted, because I know what's going on in the world. I know that a lot of persons have lost their jobs. I'm just one of those lucky ones that didn't have to go through that, so I really want to give back in some way, shape, or form, and I hope the lucky winner enjoy the products. The lucky winner will be announced on December 24th.